Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Jules, and this video is for people who sell products and want to create really interesting pictures as listing pictures. Or if you want to sell on a website and then you need to use original photos of the products. A lot of people do drop shipping and they get their products from AliExpress and they realize that if they use the same pictures from AliExpress, everybody can tell where the product is coming from and they don't really stand out because other people selling on those platforms are using those photos. So all you need is one AI tool called WeShop AI. Now, WeShop AI can be used for free. They also have paid options. I have a link in the description. You can click on the link and you get free points to use WeShop AI for free. So these points can let you just try out and see how it works for you. If you like it, then you can go on to get the paid options. Now, I did a previous video on how you can use WeShop AI for clothing, but today we're going to do something a little more different. So assuming you sell kids toys, right? I'm going to give you a tutorial on how you can come up with creative pictures for toys. So all you have to do is sign into WeShop AI. On the left panel over here, you see toy. Just click on toy. So you go to new task. All right. New task, sorry. And you'd have to upload your image here. Okay, so let's just say this water station is the product you want to sell. You upload it. So what it will do is it will select the product. Everything that's in purple will remain and everything else will disappear. So if it does not do a good enough selection, you can come here and edit it. Right? This has been selected properly, but assuming it isn't, you click on the edit button. You click on the edit button and everywhere you select that is purple will remain and everything else will go. So as you can see, the whole thing has been selected, so we really don't have to do any more work. So we just go to done. Now over here you write your text description, as in what you want the picture to look like. The more descriptive and the clearer you are, the better the image you get. So for this image, for instance, I want this toy in the grass. Move on to this one. This has template. So this will give you some kind of environmental background. So if there's a background that you'd like in here, you can use that. I don't really see any that I would like to use, so maybe not. Then this is prompts. So we have positive prompts and negative prompts. Now let's generate. So I think we are pretty good. Now, as I said, every time you generate, you use 40 points. Anything you generate takes 40 points. So if you get 600 points, for instance, and then you do your first generation, you'll be left with about 560 because everyone's going to take 40. All right, so we'll just wait. It's going to give us 4 different options, so we're just going to relax and wait and see how the options are. Okay, it's giving us the toy in the green grass. I see some green grass here with some sand and stuff. So as you can see, it has generated images of the product. I'll just make one larger for you to see it, and this is the quality of it. It's really not bad. Alright, so now that you have these over here, you can download them. Just come to the base here and you press the download button. I think this is my personal favorite, this one with a grass behind it. So I'm just gonna download it. And when you download it, you have 2 options. Full size, which is free. That's a free download. And 4K, that's not free. 4K, you will be charged more points if you download in 4K, but 4K is of higher quality. Okay, so this is how it looks. I mean, this watermark is not going to be here. This is how it looks, and I'm pretty cool with it. I think we should try another one. I want us to use a template this time, so you see how the template thing works. So we want to put it in a kid's bedroom. Okay, so we're going here and putting this toy in a boy's bedroom. Okay, so then let's generate and see how it turns out. All right, see, it's all done, and I love the results. This one comes with it by the bed with some wooden, base. These two look a little weird, especially this. And I like the fact that it even comes with a bit of a shadow. It gives it a bit of a shadow, so it's like the light is coming from one direction, which is quite cool for AI. Um, so I love this one, and I think for product photos, you could download this one or this one. Either one should work. You could even do both, which is cool. Alright, so as I said, you just click on this button to download and you choose 4K or full size. Either one should be fine. If it takes 40 points just to generate one, and you need about maybe 5 images, that's just 200 points. And if you use my link, you have 600 points. So you can do it for a lot of products. So this is how to get images or ideas using AI completely for free. To create listing images. No need for a photo shoot if you can't afford one. So if you like this video and you got some value from it, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more AI related videos, and if there's any AI related video you want me to make, just drop it in the comment section and I'll get to it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.